What's good, guys? It's good. Just let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. I don't know if it's loud and clear on your side. Just let me know. Just type a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Just confirm. Let's go. I hope you guys are the VIP, right? I just hope you guys are in the VIP because I sent this trade a few minutes ago, and I thought I'd come live here because I mentioned in the channel that I would go live when I get a trade, right? So yeah, we got a trade, and now we're on the stream. Yeah, I hope you guys in the VIP. I just hope you guys in the VIP. Loud and clear. First to be on the live. Okay, nice. Yeah, we're running some points here. Not too far off from the target. Well, it's too far away from the target, I would say. Not too far off from the entry, if I put it that way. I think we're running like around 116 or something like that. Yeah. Are you guys in the VIP? Let me know if you're in the VIP. Because I sent this trade to you guys just a few minutes before I came here. Literally. Who's in the VIP here, guys? Just let me know in the chat. Let me know if you're in the VIP. So we're in sales here on gold. Yeah, we're in sales here. It's not too far away anyway, if you wanted to get in. I just got in here. I was going to get in when price, closed with this bearish candle here. I didn't see much confirmations there. So I said, hey, you know what? Let me just wait. Yeah. Can I join the trade? Up to you, man. Up to you. Everybody in the VIP is in this trade right now. I just wish you guys could join. I have links everywhere. I put those links every time. I hope one day you can join, yeah? So you don't miss the trades. Sometimes I'm not live, but I could send the trades like fast. And then sometimes you miss out because you're not in the VIP. Yeah, but let's go. We're in sales here. We're running about like maybe 100 points. Let's see if we can smash TP1 and then maybe smash TP2 as well. This is my first trade of the day. First trade of Friday. Second trade of the week. Yeah. My second trade of the week. I don't know how many trades you guys have taken. I've just been busy this week. But I took 2 trades. This is the second one. First trade yesterday. This is the second one. I'm in the VIP. I saw it late. Yeah, you need to always be active. Because I always tell everybody I'm about to send a trade. How far are you expecting to go, Mr. Nas? As far as this. 4,100. It's going there. It's going there. Trust me when I say it. I know what I'm talking about. It's going there. Let's go, guys. Let's share and like the stream. Let's go, guys. Let's share and like the stream. I'll give you guys perspectives and let's have a great conversation here. Make sure after this you join the VIP. I put links everywhere in the description so that you don't miss the next trade. I'm trading throughout the weekend as well. I'm going to be trading, I think, BTC. So just make sure you don't miss out, right? Yeah. Just make sure you don't miss out. Someone says I'm already in Friday mode. I can't take trades now. All the best, man. Money doesn't sleep. Money does not go in Friday mode. Okay. Money has no Friday. Money is always on the chat. It has no Friday. You're good if you can have a Friday and say, hey, you know what? I'm gonna back off because it's Friday. I'm not gonna trade. Cool stuff. We don't have that. Okay. We don't have that. Such a privilege, right? Yeah, what's your TP and stop? Let me show you actually. Let me show you. I'm gonna show you now, so you can see everything here. You send the same trade in the Discord as well? Yeah, I did. I sent the same trade there too. Did you catch the initial sell earlier? No, I caught this one. I just caught this one. I just caught this one, not anything earlier. And that's the trade right there. So this trade is that trade there. Yep. Let's freaking go, guys. My first TP is 41.40. Yeah, 41.40. I think we're almost there. Yeah, I think like a few points away. Yeah, a few points away here. Just a few more points. I hope we touch it. 41.40 is my first TP. I hope we touch it. What strategy is this? It's my strategy. You want to learn it? If you want to learn it, I'm hosting a class on the 29th of June. So you can learn it if you want to. It's my strategy. If you see anybody having tasks like this, you know. It's my strategy. I take pride in it. It's a working strategy. It works most of the time. Not even half of the time. It works most of the time. What it was asking if you can explain the setup. Bro, it's here. Literally. I have an area of interest right there. I think I had this one even much earlier. I was supposed to adjust this because the actual level now in question was this one. Pretty much. Yeah, this was the actual area in question. And price came down. Of course, it's been in a downtrend. You've seen that. We trust, 61.8 came back there for the second time. Closed below it, sold base off that. Candle confirmed this one. Entered right when this candle was breaking the low of the recent one, and straight up winning profits. Yep. Straight up winning profits. Man, it's not hitting TP1. Why? What's happening? TP1 is like literally... It's literally here. Literally a few points away. I feel like PA, price action, is more effective, but I have no money. Alrighty. If you don't have money, close your mouth. If you don't have money, close your mouth. Do you use ICT, SMC, or price action? I use price action. I don't use any ICT or whatever else. Take profit and stop loss, please. You can see everything in the screen, brother. I don't know why you're asking all these things. Everything is right in front of your screen, so I don't know why you're asking this. How do we secure after take profit 1? The same way you secure any profit. The same way you close any profit. Trading to pay for your course. Hope it hits full TP. All the best. My first time on your stream. Okay, awesome. You're welcome here. We can be a bit rough sometimes, but you need to stick around. Okay. You need to stick around. Yeah, but we have great conversations as well. Great conversations. Are you planning on taking another trade? No, I have this one now. It's either it wins or it backfires. I only have this one right now. How to join VIP. There's links in the description right now. Check it out. In my bio too. Guys, let's top the screen. Let's top the screen. Let's like the stream. Let's like the stream as we always do. Let's go. What would you say is the best way to make money on the charts? This way. This one. This is the best way to make money on the charts. Nothing else. I got myself up from $70 to $500 Wednesday. Then I'm back to $70 yesterday. Yeah, because your trading is pathetic. Why do you do that to yourself? Why even laughing about the situation though? You shouldn't be laughing about your situation right there. It's not a good situation to even laugh about. Brother, you're losing money. You have a bad trading system. You can't control your emotions. You over trading. Yes, look, I only took, this is my second trade this week. My first trade I made 670 points yesterday. My second trade right now I'm up 100 points. If this trade goes all the way to TP3, I might have secured in total around like 1,300 points in 2 trades. You take 10 trades, you win on 3 trades, and you lose on maybe like 7 trades. So whatever else you made, you lose it back, right? I think that's what you do most of the time. So don't do that. You need to fix that situation, brother. You don't need to laugh about it. It's a terrible situation to be in. You can't move an account from 70 to like 500 and like blow it or like take it back to like $70. That sucks. I have $100 in my demo account. I'm a genius. You think you're a genius? No, you're a dummy. How can I follow your signals? I have a signal group. There's a link somewhere in the description. That's bad for real. Yeah, it is. Let's like the stream, guys. Let's go. Well, you can get in the trade if you want to. Yeah, I don't think it's too late. We haven't hit TP1 yet, so yeah. I'll start questioning this trade only if it does this. Look, if this trade does something like this, well, I don't question my trades per se, but if it goes above this level here, I'll question it. Maybe I'll close. Yeah, if it goes above this level here, there's a level here. Only if it does that. Right now, it still looks like a good trade. Yeah, it still does look like a good trade. Lots of volume here too. Lots of volume there. Is it gold? I think it's gold. I do think it's gold. What do you guys think? I think it's gold. Yeah, I think it's gold. Can I get your WhatsApp number, Mr. Nas? Sure, I'll put it here for you. Look at this. Look at the screen, right? Look at the screen. Look at this portion of the screen right there. Yeah, you have it. Yeah, you get a screenshot or something, and you send me a WhatsApp message and all of that stuff. Did you get it? Yeah, get a screenshot or something. Just save it for later, and then you send me a WhatsApp, and yeah, we're gonna chat from there. Well, I don't know why a person's asking if it's gold, because the title of the stream says live trading gold. Live trading gold. The chat itself has I don't know, you guys ask these things. I don't know. I'm already in a buy. Okay, nice. Good for you. That's the best position to have right now. Buying is the best position you can have right now. That's the best position you can have right now. Yeah, you guys got the WhatsApp number, right? Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. Send me a hi. Hey, bro, I want to join your VIP. Hey, bro, I wanna get access to your course. How can I join? How can I learn? Hey, bro, I have this challenge. How can I fix it? I overtrade and so. How can you help me? All right. You don't get out of bad situations by sticking to the same habits. You don't get out of bad situations by continuously keeping on to experiment without a solution. You don't get out of bad situations like that. You don't. Are you back home? Yeah, I'm back. Go back some 2 days ago or something. Yeah. You don't get better as a trader by you consistently keeping on experimenting on what's not been working. All right. You don't get better as a trader like that. If you don't get it, forget about it. Okay, cool stuff. Can you look at different asset? Cool, I will. Let's wait for TP1, then we're gonna look at different asset. Well, how about that? Let's see if we can hit TP1 soon. We just need one last push. One last push. One last push. One last push to here. 76, no, 70 points. 75, 72 points. Last push that we can hit TP1. Probably. Yeah, we'll see. I made a robot that trades for me. Is it a good thing for beginner, or I need to take the trades? Is a robot making you money? Is it making you money? Look, everything comes down to one thing. Are you making money? All right. Yeah, forget trying to be sophisticated. Forget trying to look cool. Oh, I've got a robot. It trades for me. Does it make you money? Oh, I'm in this guy's signal group. Does he make you money? Oh, I joined his signal group. Do you guys even make money where you are? It all comes down to one thing. Forget everything else. It comes down to one thing. Are you making money? That's the question. If you're not making money with the robot, throw it away, brother. You're wasting time. 5 years from now, you'll be broke, left at the backstage of life with your robot. If it's making you money, stick to it. If it's not, throw it away. Because 5 years from now, you'll be in the same position, broke and busted because of your robot that's not making you money. And the idea of, I like the robot. No, that's not cool. That's not cool. If you ask me, it's not cool. That doesn't sound smart. It doesn't at all. Yeah, just doesn't. I'll tell you the truth personally. I always tell you the truth here. I don't beat around the bush. I'll just tell you the truth. What the hell is this now? Okay, fixed it. I mean, we do all that we do to make money, to be honest. We don't just do it for the fun of it. Like, hey, we just like the idea of looking like we're traders, or just looking like we know what we're doing. No. Personally, that's not what I do it for. I do it because I want to have a better financial situation. The market is closed. The market is closed for you. The market is closed for you. Your market is closed. Your market is closed. Will the market close at 1955? I don't know. Where did you get that information? Where did you get that information? It's Friday, market close, so I have nothing going on. Bro, which country do you live in? Do you live in space? No, do you live in Mars? Or do you live like in Venice? Are you on the same earth as we are? Are you on the same earth as we are, brother? Or maybe you are somewhere in Venus. Or maybe you are in Pluto somewhere. Somewhere in Pluto. Bro, here on Earth, these markets are open right now. Here on Earth, brother, these markets are open right now. On Earth, wherever you are, the markets are closed. Oh, you guys make my days, man. I come here for this, actually. Sorry guys. There's no voice for some weird reason. I don't know where I pressed here. I was saying, you guys tell me what to do. Should I close or I keep holding my position? Market's fluctuating right here. Do you think gold is still gonna drop? Yeah, I think it's still gonna drop. There's still volume. It's just slowing down maybe, but I think it's still gonna drop. Yeah, let's see what happens anyway. I think it's we just need to trust the plan. Basically, same thing we did yesterday. You guys were on the stream, is it? If you weren't on the stream, maybe you go watch it. We just need to trust the plan here, I think. Yeah, maybe we just trust the plan a little bit. Which time frame do you use to enter a trade? 15 minutes time frame. $50 time frame. I'm trying to type something here, so give me a second. There's a video my team is supposed to drop now, so I don't know why they're not dropping it. Some weird reason. This is... Need to fix this. Bro, this video should drop now. What's happening? Okay. Are you on this trade already or you're waiting for the trade? No, I'm in the trade right now. I am in the trade right now. I'll show you my entries. Look at this. Those are my entries right there. You see them? Okay. There we go. Yeah, those are my H's right there, brother. I just need a few more pushes to the downside and then maybe we can hit TP1. That'll be good. Let's see if we do. There's lots of volume now. This is 41.45. That's like 40 more points away. Here we go. We're moving. Did you guys get in the trade though? Did you guys get in the trade? God is just having a break for a short cigarette. It's gonna pump soon, yeah. When you're taking a position of 15 minutes time frame, do you look at 30 minutes and 4 hour? Yes, sometimes I do. It's not a must though. Sometimes I do. How can I learn from you if I'm not using a broker? I don't own a broker. So you can learn from me if you pay me. Yeah, you pay me, then you learn from me. I sell courses. I make money from selling courses. Are you in this trade? Yes, I am. Guys, I come here to live trade. I don't come here to tell you stories. I come here to live trade. Okay, this is not like those other streams that you guys join. I come here and I live trade. It's the biggest reason why I come here. So I'm in the trade on gold right now. Let's all freaking like the stream. Let's go. If you guys want to see me here until we hit like TP2 or 3, let's like the stream. I can be very patient with my trades because I know this can take some time. But you said Fridays are not good for trading. Where did I say that? I might have said Fridays have terrible market conditions, but not that they're not good for trading. People do trade. I do trade on Fridays too. We best believe it's a good analysis you have done. Yeah, it is 100%. It's gonna buy to 41.60. See the reaction there. Awesome, brother. All the best, Warren, in gold buying to 40 whatever 60. Cool stuff. You guys come with your opinions all the time. Like even yesterday we had people saying it's gonna buy, then it sold, till like the whole day. And then today again you have people in the chat saying it's gonna buy. Well, it could buy. Well, it could buy. Maybe it could buy. Who knows? Maybe it could buy. Just maybe. It's gonna reverse S up. Why do you guys always look for markets reversing though? Why are you always looking for market reversing when it's moving in one direction? Why do you want to reverse here? Why though? I don't know how you guys trade though, but like it bothers me. I get people on the streams here and they see that the market is down. They'll be like, it's gonna reverse. Bro, cool, it could, yeah, but I don't know what you're saying. Like, explain to me what exactly you're saying. Maybe I could see it too, and then we can look for a sell. I mean, we can look for a buy. Do you also look at weekly levels, Mr. Nas? No, I look at daily levels. I am a day trader. I have no interest in looking at anything above the daily time frame, anything last week, anything last month, anything 3 months ago. I have no interest in that. I have zero interest. Someone says move your stop to break even. Okay. What time frame is this? This is a 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, there's a level here the price is reacting to. Right here. If you can break this level, we can see some good volume. There's a level right here. Is this level here? Price is reacting to it. If it can break it, then we can see some volume. You need to make more educational videos so people can understand analysis. No, the people who understand my analysis are always on these streams because I educate them all the time. And the guys that learn my strategy, they know exactly how I trade. The rest are noise makers. The rest come here and be like, guys, I bought, let's see what happens now. Noisy makers. Okay. Your strategy is focused on day trading. Yes, it's a day trading strategy. It's not a swing trading. It's not a scalp. Well, I could scalp some days, but like it's more day trading than anything else. I'm Italian living in China. Bro, you said this yesterday too. You said the same thing yesterday. How are you finding China? Maybe you want me to ask you that. How are you finding China? Guys, if you have an X account, send me a WhatsApp message or send me a Telegram text, all right? I'm going to add you to our Telegram channel. You see, like this trade here, I shared it before, slightly a few minutes before I came on the stream, right? Inside here. Everybody inside that channel is up 100 points plus now. Others can decide to close now because they're making money. Others can decide to hold. People are doing whatever they're doing, but I make sure that everybody's making money every single time. Right, that's like me. I just make sure everybody's doing that. Right, so if you check yesterday, we hit all 3 TPs, 500, almost 600 points actually, not even almost. I think more than 600 points. So if you check, this was a trade yesterday. I was live while this trade started, and some of you guys got it too. But I told you I always share the trades inside here. There's more trades I've shared in here than I have done on a live stream. All right, so make sure you make it a must to go join this platform, because you will find lots of value. Just give it a try. See if you can join, and then probably you see that what kind of experience you have inside there. So yeah, I know you have a good experience because I share most of my good trades in there. The volume is slowing down. It looks like it. Yeah, but let's see where it goes. Is the Telegram link in your bio? Yeah, it is. Right now it is. Solomon made a video ranking the top Zambian traders. Nice. That's so good of him. You need to do that stuff sometimes. Rank them up. I'm not reading my chart, sir. Why? Where's your chart, bro? Where's your chart? How you handle a loss streak if you have if you've had one? I've had a couple of them. You take a break. It's the best cure. Take a break. Come back fresh. Lose consistently for even 2-3 days. Take a break. Come back fresh. Take a break. Maybe a day's break, a week's break, and then just come back fresh. Do you think you're the best trader in Zambia? I don't know. You tell me. Could you help me open an X account? Yeah, go check the link in the bio now. There's a link in this video right now. And then start the process. If you have an issue, let me know. It's very simple, I think. It's just your names, your verifications, and a couple of things you need to pick around. Alrighty. What's the minimum capital for your group? $100. You don't join without anything less than that. With anything less than that. Bro, I take a good long from 41.25 to 41.67. All the best, brother. All the best. Are you doing any more giveaways? Sure, I do giveaways every now and then. Yeah, I decided who to give my money to though. I'm new here. Nice. Good to have you here, bro. Good to have you here. 1 hour FVG. Okay. I'm sure your TP1 has been hit. No, I don't know. For some weird reason, I put my TP1 at 41.40. Look. 41.40. So if you check here, 41.40 is like I mean 41.40 is like a couple of points away. Yeah, we got close. We got really close here. We didn't get it. We didn't get to hit it. We just got very close. Yeah, we didn't hit it. It is what it is. I can't wait to meet you, sir. One day is one day. One day is one day. How's your Friday looking like? It's just me and my charts right now, bro. Me and my charts right now. We want to figure out things first before we can look at anything else. Guys, if you're enjoying the stream, like the stream. Let's go. Tap the screen if you're enjoying the stream. Let's like the stream right now. Is it GC or gold chart? It's a gold chart right now. It's a gold chart. They ranked you 10. Nice. I'm on number 10. Yeah. 10th? What do you mean by number 10 though? Like, okay, cool. Yeah, let's celebrate. I'm on number 10. Yeah. 10th. I'm the 10th trader in Zambia. I love that. Your openness with both wins and losses is commendable. Bro, these are markets like we can't do nothing about them. We just exercise a little bit of an urge, a little bit of a skill, and then they decide what they do. Yeah, they decide what they do. We just exercise a little bit of an urge, a little bit of a skill, you know, and if things work out, we cash out. If things don't work out, we close off with some losses, which is okay. Because don't forget, it's a business of win and loss, right? So sometimes you can lose and sometimes you can win, right? So I think personally I embrace both. So it's just, you know, it's trading. The stop loss itself is like $25. Yeah, bro. You want your stop loss to be what? To be $2? You want your stop loss to be $2? Do you want a $2 stop? Put it. Go ahead and put it. Put a $2 stop or put a $1 stop. Is it good to use XM blocker? Bro, it's not even blocker, it's broker, okay? It's not that stuff you're talking about. XM is a terrible broker, don't use it. Terrible broker. Get ready for a stop loss. Get ready to be blocked from the stream too. Okay? Get ready for a stop. Get ready to get blocked from the stream. You never see this stream ever again. If we meet you in public, how best can we approach you for a photo? You just talk, bro. Open your mouth and just talk to me. Yeah. Tell me the best broker. The best broker is Exness. That's the best broker. There's no other broker. No other broker, bro. Like, there's nothing. It's Exness and Exness. Okay? There's no other best broker. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Man, this has been a slow market now. Let's see the volume right now. Let's see. Bro, what's happening? Okay, cool stuff. Oh, we have lots of volume here as well. I just don't know why markets are slowing down. How old are you? I am 27 years old. You guys ask me these questions every single time though. Like, you guys ask me these questions every single time. Do you trade other assets too? Yeah, I do. I trade Nasdaq. I trade BTC. Those are good assets. Some days I would trade currencies. It's rare though, but like some days I would. It's just so rare, but some days I would. Even if we were to lose, the fact remains the same. Mr. Nas is the best. And even on Monday, we will come. Okay. Oh yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go anyway. I come here to have fun with you guys and then make some money too. Nothing else. When did you start trading? Some years ago. I've been trading for 7 years now. I think 7 years now. It's been some time. I think I started trading around 20 years. Yeah, it's been a while. Where exactly is Zambia? Zambia is somewhere in Africa. Man, there's a video we need to upload. I just don't know why my team is not responsive. Yeah, we'll be dropping a video on Instagram very soon. Make sure you guys like and all this stuff, as we always do. But even if you don't, it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, go to the tracing back. I think it's going back to entry here for some weird reason. Let me look at my positions. Yeah, there we go. Look at this. I think it's going back to my entry support, right? It looks like it. Doesn't mean the trade is over though. I just hold till my stop is hit my TP. Do you know Justin, the trader? No. I heard of a couple Justins. Haven't met any. If you're talking about the guys here, I haven't gotten to meet any of the guys there. Maybe someday we'll meet. When I'm moving to Dubai, sir, I have no intentions right now. I have no intentions right now. Maybe soon. Maybe later. I have no intentions right now though. You mean like moving to Dubai, like permanent residence, like, you know, just going there to stay? I have no intentions right now. Zero intentions. Would you say you have the best trading strategy? Of course. Of course. Have you seen anybody trading live in front of you every single day with their strategy? Do you know why they don't? Do you want to guess? I'll let you figure that part. But I want you to go to my YouTube right now and go scroll. I've been live trading since 2022, if not 2023. Yeah, 2022, I think. Yeah, which is a couple years ago. I've been here. Same strategy, few changes here and there, nothing major. Same everything, same way of looking at the charts. Nothing has changed. And I show people both the wins and the losses, because that's what trading is all about anyway. Man, if this does not hit my TP1 by 5:30, I'm gonna get pissed. Or I'm gonna just move my stop to like maybe break even or something and just go about my day or something like that. Here in Western Province, we've got some traders like, okay, do you know him, sir? No, I don't know him. Maybe we have not met. Is FBS good broker? I don't know. I've never used any of those brokers before. How long are we live for today? I don't know, bro. maybe for the next 30 minutes, 20, I don't know. Just you stopped killing volatility indices. I don't trade them anymore. Where you from? Looking good, sir. Interesting accent. From Zambia. Zambia. Do you think volume will kick in looking at the time? It might. It might. Yeah, it might. This is still New York session. It's post New York session. Post New York session. What kept you going despite the hard times you faced in trading, being scammed and paying wrong mentors? You have the passion for this thing and you just believe one day you could make it happen and you keep working towards it. Yeah. Well, you look at things like that as just a bit of drawbacks and drawdowns and whatever. But, you know, one or two few bad people you've met along the way should not stop you from chasing your success in trading, to be honest. It's just a few bad people you've met. Yeah. You get scammed. I got scammed a couple of times, to be honest. I have gotten scammed a couple of times. In mysterious ways. Mysterious ways. Yeah. Charles, I gave a comment about your issue right there. I said you need to send a WhatsApp text right away because none of my admins should tell you that they're waiting for me because they don't wait for me to push the pieces. They push every piece because they know what they have to do. All right, Charles? So just send a text on WhatsApp and then you get it figured out. They'll get it figured out for you. Bank holiday in the US today. Yeah, but markets be moving, bro. Markets be moving. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. If at 5:30 I don't see anything much. I think there's a level here. You see this level here? I'm gonna put this here. It's currently like a minor support. Nothing major. It's minor support that I'm thinking if price could break, we could see some volume, right? Yeah, maybe for as long as price hasn't broken it, maybe we can see it, you know, stuck around here. How do you place a stop with the spread Exness provides? Exness has one of the best spreads, to be honest. They do have one of the best spreads, to be honest. If you check their platform even right now. I don't know what you trade, but if you trade gold, their spread is like 5 times less than what the industry average is like as of right now. Well, you could do your own research, to be honest. I'm not the one to talk on behalf of a broker, but like you can do your own research. You probably figure out that they have the best spread in the industry right now on gold, on oil, on most of the major assets, and their spreads don't change even during high volatility moments. The spreads remain the same. If you connect, check your DMs, send something over a while back. Okay, sure, I'll check it out. I will check it out. I sure will check it out. What platform do you recommend? I don't recommend any right now. Most of these platforms don't want to pay the payouts. I think they've moved on from paying payouts now. They just want traders to sign up and like take up the evaluation and they just want to pay them. Well, they come up with reasons, excuses and whatever. Well, there's some you guys call the best and whatever. Just pick your poison, I think. I don't recommend any of them right now. Personally, I just don't. So this is tradable with June 10th, or is that because we mentioned New York session? Well, there is a holiday, yes. I get it. Markets have been moving. They have been moving today. Did you see what happened during London? Price pushed up over more than 400, 300 points. Yeah, 400 points up, 200 points down, 200 points up, another 200 down. We got in 100 points down. Price is almost back to entry, whatever. We'll see. Yeah. Look at this. Let me show you a scenario here, right? This was yesterday's trade, right? Let me take out this on my screen. There we go. This was yesterday's trade, and New York session came. Of course, yesterday we had no holiday on the markets, all right? But New York session came. Notice this, okay? Before New York, from London to New York, we pushed down about 600 points, right? Now, post New York alone, okay? Post New York, post New York before Asian pushed an extra 500 points. That was post New York. Currently, we are in post New York. All right. Maybe because of the holiday, we might slow down things. Maybe. I don't know. Just maybe. But hey, bro, like, I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. I'll leave my stop where it is, then just like and just like wait for price to do his thing. Nothing convincing yet to change the bias. Nothing convincing yet. Yesterday was FOMC. No, it wasn't yesterday. It was the day before yesterday. Love your content. You're the god. Appreciate, brother. Appreciate. Thanks a lot, man. What is the minimum deposit on Exodus? I think it is $10. I think. Yeah. Man, such a boring stream so far. Markets not moving. When I came, markets were moving. And now we don't have anything going on. Tell me if your team is not working. Yeah, send me your what? Some of the works that you've done, and then love how you endorse Exodus. Yeah, because I make my money there. I endorse anywhere I make my money from. I endorse everywhere I make my money from. Any platform that's paying me, I make my money. I can easily withdraw. And I know many other people do the same. Totally a good platform, if you'd ask me. What confluences are you looking at? I have an area of interest sitting up here. I have a fib level, price sitting below it. Price retested line station high. It might not go back to it. What else? We have an area of interest that is holding the price now, but we have volume. Look at this. Lots of selling pressure around this area. Okay. And around this area we have lots of volume here. So I'm hoping if we can sit anywhere below here, price can shoot down. All right. Yeah. Might not happen right now. Might happen as the day unfolds, maybe. And you might say price is concluding for the day. Yeah, sure, it is. It is, to be honest. But we have a couple of hours before it fully concludes. So let's leave it up to this. Yeah, I'll hold, and we'll see what happens here. Is your course for advanced persons? I'm only a beginner, but I want to learn. I have a beginner course too, and it's 100% free actually. So you can just check. There's a link in my description now that gives you access to my course. If it's a free course rather. So you open an Exodus account. You don't need to use it if you don't mind. If you don't want to use it, don't use it. It's cool. But you just open an Exodus. It gives you access to my course. It's as simple as that. What are your best trades over the years? The ones you don't forget. Once upon a time, I did 300K on FOMC 2021. 300K on a single day. Not USD. 300K. I think I was trading Rand. Yeah, 300,000 Rands in a single trade. I moved an account from 50K to 410, 420K. Single day in a space of 3 hours. That was aggressive, yes. I knew what I was doing though. Yes. And if you followed me for some time, you know that FOMC is like one of my specialties as well, because I fully understand how that works most of the time at least. And I have had a very good winning streak at it. Yeah, sadly I missed this one because I was flying back home. I missed the recent one. But anyway, cool stuff. What if you have an Exodus account already? You still get access to the course. No stress. Just check the link. It's gonna show you a process on how you get access to the course. Yeah. I've had a couple other trades too. One that I don't forget. Terrible trade, terrible day, terrible experience. It left me in shock. It left me in tears. One I don't forget. 2018. Brexit. There was Brexit news. I had traded this account from $1,000 It was at that moment around $9,000 and I was holding trades on pound yen and pound USD. I held those trades for 2 days. I took the trades on a Monday. I held them through Tuesday. I held them through Wednesday. Wednesday, we had Brexit news. If you don't know Brexit, go do your research. We had Brexit news on a Wednesday. No idea, bro. Like, I didn't know what Brexit was all about. I had a couple years already in my trading career. I had no idea what Brexit was all about. I just kept on holding. And all of a sudden, crazy spikes came from nowhere. Well, of course, not from nowhere, from Brexit. They came from Brexit. And what was running 8,000, 9,000? In a blink of a second, we had crazy candles pushing the charts, pushing the screen. Okay, you know those candles that push the screen? Yeah, I had those ones. And man, oh man, you want to guess what happened? You want to guess what happened? The account moved from 9,000 back to 1,200. 1,200. Brexit. I never forget that trade. I never forget that trade. I was trading currencies back in the days. Yeah, I just never forget. I've said this story a couple of times. One of these days I'll come show you. I wasn't recording my stuff then though. I wasn't recording my stuff. Yeah, I wasn't recording. Do you still trade Nasdaq? Yeah, I do. Here and there I do trade it. Has it had the best day today so far? Nasdaq will always be one of my best, not one of, it will always be my best asset for what it did ever since I traded it. This was my prediction yesterday. Who was here? This was my analysis yesterday. When price was somewhere here, I said, guys, price is going to go up. This was yesterday. I even mentioned that, guys, you see this happen later in New York. New York came, price shot up all the way. I was talking about this during London when price was somewhere here. We shot up all the way 400 points yesterday. Yeah. I still trade Nasdaq. It's just, you know, calm on it lately. I've been much calm trading it, but I do trade it. It's a very good asset. I would recommend you trade it too if you want to. The thing about it is that it's a buyer's market. So once you understand the pricings, how markets move, how the prices move on this asset, you would have cracked the code. Yeah, you would have cracked the code. It's a very good asset. Yeah. Yeah, Brexit, you had trades too. Well, man, that was crazy. Brexit 2018 was insane. I think that was like around mid-year, somewhere July, August, June, somewhere there. Yeah. But we learn sometimes from hard moments. I learned from it. Sometimes we learn from these hard moments. Oh yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave the stream. How's Victor been? It's been long. He's good. He's good. 100%. He's very busy doing some things, and he's 100% good. I'm gonna leave the stream. Let's see. We've done an hour now. Yeah, cool stuff. I'll still say I'm holding this trade. My stop is 40. Let me show you guys this, so you don't say he's not transparent. But I show you guys everything all the time. So, you know, my stop still remains here. I guess you can see it on the screen. If you can't, it's 4180. Yeah. I got in at 41.55, so I'm not losing yet. Okay, price is just retracing. So even if you look at my chart right there, I'm not going to show you my profits. That doesn't matter to you, right? But if you look at where I entered, right, I entered right there with everybody else, and now we are there. All right, so we're running 100 points. I think now we're down, running maybe like 40, 50 points, maybe something like that. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'll leave the stream. I'll come back tomorrow to trade BTC as well. Of course, not just for the fun of it, but because I'll be trading over the weekend as well. Yeah, hopefully we had a good one. Hopefully you guys learned a lot. Make sure you check out the links in the bio and in the links in the description. If you want on TikTok, it's the bio. If you're on YouTube, it's the description. All right. And also hit me up, send me a WhatsApp, get access to my calls, learn the whole idea behind what you're seeing on the screen right now. All right. Learn the whole idea, what is on the screen, what it means, how do we go about it, and stuff like that. Yeah. Cool stuff. Yeah, I think it's been a good one. Not too bad. Late stream, not bad. Not too bad. Am I late to the party? No, you're not late to the party. The party was interesting at some point, and now it's just not interesting. We're still holding sales on gold. Yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been a good one. Have a good one. Have fun. Trade safely. All the best. Let me see. What is this? Okay, cool stuff. Someone says stupid rule. What do you mean? What do you mean, bro? What do you mean? What time are you coming for BTC? I don't know. Maybe London station. It depends. I come here when I see an opportunity now. All right. So when I see it, I come around here. That's how it works. Alrighty, guys. Have fun. Trade safely. All the best. Yep.